I've been barrel racing pretty much my whole life, and I kind of got into barrel racing just because my whole family, all my older sisters barrel raced, and it was just kind of what we did.
Ultimately, for me, it's the bond you have with a 1,200-pound animal, that respect.
I was born to be around horses. I was born to love them. I was born to live with them. So that's why I decided, you know, this is where I'm gonna go. And I luckily had parents that backed me and helped me do that.
I've been barrel racing for a long time, ever since I was probably about 8 or 9 years old. We got into barrel racing. I do it because I love it. We've always loved to barrel race and rodeo and goat tie and rope and whatnot, but you know, over the last, I'd say 10 years, 5 to 10 years, we've really gotten into the breeding part of the horses now that we own a stallion and we own the Goodbye Lane, and he's really, you know, made a big game changer for us in our training program.